Hello and welcome to another one of my episodes of Bushey's Hidden Gems. And today I am in Warren Lake, would you believe it, just a moment from Bushey High Street in Bushey Heath. There's the High Street, just there. Hello, Mr. Duck. So, unless you live in Bushey itself, in Bushey Heath, would you even know that this place existed? I mean, you are literally down this lovely road with these gorgeous houses, lovely 4, 5 and 6 bedroom detached homes. And as you can see behind me, it's beautiful, peaceful and just tranquil. I would definitely come along here now with my lunch, with my picnic and enjoy the relaxation of this place. This is certainly one of Bushey's hidden gems. So the next time you decide to go shopping in Bushey Heath and got a few extra minutes to spare, why don't you take a little walk? It's just opposite the Honda dealership on the high road. On the right hand side, you'll see it there, the lake. Have a walk in, bring some sandwiches, have a picnic, sit around and look at the ducks.